Let's look at a very common suffix used in English, less. It means without, lacking, or not having. For example, spotless. His apartment was so clean, spotless. Let's look at 20 more, the most common English words using the suffix less in English. Careless, not giving enough attention or thought. It was careless to drive in such bad weather. Harmless, not able to cause harm. The snake looked dangerous, but it was harmless. Hopeless, without hope, feeling no solution is possible. He felt hopeless after failing the exam. Fearless, having no fear. The fearless climber reached the top of the mountain. Endless, having no end. The children seem to have endless energy. Useless, not useful, without value. This broken remote is useless. Restless, unable to relax or stay still. She felt restless during the long flight. Helpless, unable to help oneself. The baby looked helpless without its mother. Meaningless, without meaning or importance, the argument became meaningless. Homeless, without a home, the charity helps homeless people in the city. Powerless, without power or control, he felt powerless to change the situation. Worthless, having no value. The fake coin was worthless. Tireless, never seeming to get tired. The nurse gave tireless care to her patients. Speechless, unable to speak, often from surprise. She was speechless after hearing the news. Selfless, caring more about others than oneself. Helping others is a selfless act. Colorless, having no color. The liquid was clear and colorless. Mindless, done without thinking. He made a mindless mistake. Priceless, extremely valuable. The photo of her grandmother was priceless. Breathless, out of breath. He arrived breathless after running. Jobless, without a job. Many people became jobless during the crisis. What other words with the suffix less can you think of? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. The end.